Honestly, Secret Superstar, I was there on set just for patchwork. So I saw 10 days of shoot. I was mostly there for post production. So when I saw Zaira at the time act, she's one of the finest actors I've seen. So that really taught me so much as an actor because तब मैं sure नहीं था कि मुझे direction करनी है, acting करनी है. But once I was done with that film, I was dead sure that I want to be in films. Whether it's as an actor or a director, I was not sure. But yeah, perspective as an actor, it just taught me to be honest with the moment here, to just be very truthful while you're performing and listen to the director. As an actor, that was the only thing I took away from that because I feel every actor is different and I can't pinpoint one thing. But technicalities, catching light, and basic stuff like that taught me a lot. Honestly, taught me a lot. And taught me to respect the craft because everyone on that set was really involved in what they were doing. So, हाँ जी, यही था उससे. Transitioning, I wouldn't be able to point out one thing. There were many things because once you actually want to, I went to film school also for about 3 or 4 months. But that was just a workshop. But I used to do a lot of online screenwriting courses because I wanted to write, direct and stuff like that. So when you transition to an actor, of course, initially वो थोड़ी चुल मचती है कि यार scene ऐसा होता, ऐसे करे, वैसे करे. But that's the exact ego you have to break, I feel. Because if you try to analyze a thing from the other perspective, when you're acting, I don't think you can always be open to receiving suggestions and changing your performance. And I feel the best actors, at least I've seen because I've assisted on a few ads and one film after also, were the ones who come in fully prepared. But जब director कहता है कि इसका ये करो या give me a different variation of this or give me a different version of this, they are able to adapt. They are the ones who actually receive and listen, even if they are the most experienced actors or if they are new, doesn't matter. If they can change on set, I feel that's magic. So transitioning, that was the only thing. Breaking that whole perspective of अगर मैं ऐसा करता तो कैसे करता. That's not it. Of course you can do that, but listening to the director and actually changing, that's where the magic happens. And of course, I'm also trying to learn on the job and do it the best I can. So getting this role was simple. The basic अपना मुकेश सर के पास जाओ. मुकेश छाबड़ा sir was casting for this film. So I did about 2 or 3 rounds. I'd seen the original film, so they had told me कि ये Love Today का remake है, ये character है. So I was like यार भाई ये तो करना ही है. We did 2 or 3 rounds. The casting team was very sweet. तो उनके साथ it didn't feel like an audition, very honestly. It was just like workshopping. उनके साथ तो मतलब 3 या 4 round हुए थे, if I'm not wrong. And every time we did different versions of the same scene. Once we did another scene, just because उसमें reel भी था, dancing भी थी. जो मेरा एक दूसरा फोर्ट है, बचपन से मैं डांस कर रहा हूँ. तो बट ऑन सेट द फनीएस्ट थिंग, बिकॉज देखो ये मेरी पहली फिल्म है. मैं गया था एंथो कटलेट जैसे और मेरा रिहर्सल था खुशी कपूर और जुनैद खान के साथ और अद्वैत सर भी वहां पे थे, अद्वैत भी वहां पे थे. हम लोग गए और रीडिंग थी. तो रीडिंग पे तुम जैम करते हो, सीन करते हो दूसरे एक्टर के साथ. तो वो लंबा चौड़ा सीन था. इफ यू हैव वॉच्ड द फिल्म वेयर करण's कैरेक्टर, माय कैरेक्टर इज आस्किंग हर आउट एंड वो चैट पढ़ रहा है जुनैद का कैरेक्टर. तो जुनैद यहाँ बैठा था, खुशी was somewhere here, अद्वैत was somewhere here. I told अद्वैत मुझे 1 मिनट दे. Can I not read? Can I just perform the scene? तो he's like lines. तो I was like मैं कर गया, मैं सब कर लिया. Please let me just perform it. And they had never. This was the first time I was meeting Khushi in the capacity of an actor. So I in that scene have very dramatically. DOP was sitting there. I knew. So I was like इसका बना देते हैं scene. I have gone down, taken a rose out, gone on my knees, done the entire scene और बीच में suddenly सब हंसने लगे. और सबको लगा ये क्या कर रहे हैं, because ये रीडिंग के लिए आए थे हम लोग. But yeah, and it was just then that I realized कि यार मैंने कुछ ज़्यादा तो नहीं कर दिया, because खुशी was looking strangely, Advait was looking strangely, जुनैद was looking strangely कि हो क्या रहा है. But वो बहुत अच्छा माहौल था, because बाद में everyone just that I think broke the ice. So that was one fun BTS moment which I had. Others are also there, but वो बहुत लंबी कहानी, अलग-अलग चीजें हुई थी. So yeah, this one was a great moment because it was really funny to see, because Rajesh sir जो DOP थे यहाँ पे आ गए थे and then everyone started, we did the scene like 2 or 3 times. Then I did it very dramatically, very weirdly. So I think Khushi was a bit creeped out in the beginning and so was Advait कि क्या कर रहा है. But finally we found the soul of the character and we came down to one conclusion कि चलो ठीक है, ये character, वो character ही वो creepy है. Karan is not a good guy. My friends, अच्छा आदमी नहीं है वो. So don't be inspired if you watch the film. देखो आमिर सर के बारे में यार मैं थोड़ा सेंटी हो जाऊंगा, बिकॉज वो मेरे बहुत ऑनेस्टली स्क्रीन आइडल रहे काफी सालों से. तो मैं उनको मिल चुका हूँ पहले, बट इन दिस फिल्म की कैपेसिटी में उन्होंने एक रफ कट देखा था, और मेरा पार्ट अगर आपने फिल्म देखी इतना लंबा है नहीं, बट तो मेरी सबसे बड़ी चिंता ये थी कि यार फिल्म आ जाएगी, फर्स्ट फिल्म आ जाएगी, मेरा पार्ट कितना नोटिस होगा, लोग नोटिस करेंगे, यू आर सपोज्ड टू हेट द कैरेक्टर, विल दे हेट द कैरेक्टर, विल दे नोटिस एवरीथिंग. Advait texted me after the rough cut के आमिर सर has watched the film and he has loved your performance. तो मुझे लगा सिर्फ खुश करने के लिए कह रहा है, बिकॉज मेरी पहली फिल्म. 2 weeks later I happened to meet आमिर सर, and usually हमारा सिर्फ हाय हेलो होता था because he knows me by face, and I of course know him. तो he's come and he's given me a tight hug and he's like तुमने क्या काम किया फिल्म में? And I was like, sir, are you seriously saying this? कि मतलब तो बोलते हैं नहीं यार, you have got a, you know, you've really done well. He spoke about a few scenes. He mentioned a few things I did as an actor, which is very dear to me that he noticed. And he's honestly one of my screen idols. तो जब उनकी तारीफ मिली, उनका validation मिला as an actor, और मेरी पहली फिल्म है, पहला performance है in the public domain. For me, it was the biggest win. That Amir Khan को मेरा काम अच्छा लगा. And it's my dream, manifesting this on camera very boldly, that I get to work with him soon. In his production house or with him as an actor, तो इस मतलब हो गया मेरा करियर, मैं बंद करता था वहाँ पे. आमिर खान सर is my biggest, most favorite star. चाम तो नहीं कह सकते, थिएटर में देखने का मजा तो है, but definitely it's sad but it's true that people have the option of waiting a month and watching it at home. So that is a big factor as to why people don't go to the theaters anymore. तो वो तो है यार, चाम तो नहीं जा रहा. फिल्में उतनी हिट करती है, उतना रोना धोना जो तुम कम्युनिटी में करते हो जब फिल्म देख रहे हो और हंसते हो साथ में लोगों के, वो तो बहुत ही अलग है. बट इट्स ट्रू, गोइंग टू अ थिएटर इज एक्सपेंसिव नाउ, इट इज टफर नाउ, इट इज not the wisest option for most people sometimes, because of course you have to care about your bread and butter in your pocket and it's become an expensive affair, and of course you have OTT which is brilliant I feel. तो है यार, चाम नहीं जा रहा अगेन टू आंसर दैट, बट ऑप्शन है तो लोग रुकना चाहते हैं, जो विच इज अ ग्रेट थिंग फॉर द कंज्यूमर बट नॉट द बेस्ट थिंग फॉर पीपल पुटिंग इट इन अ थिएटर. ऑनेस्टली बताऊं, डायरेक्टर्स तो हैव द टॉप ऑफ माय हैट, जोया अख्तर, इम्तियाज अली, विक्रमादित्य मोटवानी. I have Aditya Chopra as a director. That's a dream. He's too rare. तो हो गया तो will be mental. Shakun Batra, love his work. Advait 10,000 times again. And if Amir sir directs again now, that'll be mental. Him और बहुत यार लिस्ट चलती जाएगी. वासन बाला is one of my favorite. Again, his body of work, whatever I've seen, even his commercials, I love them. And बहुत है यार, विनिल मैथ्यू, he's made हसीन दिलरुबा, हसी तो फसी, अनुराग सर, अनुराग कश्यप, अनुराग बासु, सब आप जितने नाम बोले उतने कम है, but these are at the top of my head right now. And Arjun Varian Singh, he's made खो गए हम कहाँ, he's a new age young director. Dream, all of these are my dream and it will happen inshallah. I would go with who would I go on a dinner date with? I think I would like to go with Sharvari Wagh. She is a brilliant actor. Of course, she's a very pretty girl, and but brilliant actor. If you see her body of work also, I feel she has something she's doing, which is very, very, very serious as an actor. If you watch her in Maharaj, if you watch her in the first project she did, Forgotten Army, if you watch her in Buddy Bubbly, she's brilliant, and of course she's very pretty. So yeah. देखो, मुझे गालियां पड़ेगी क्योंकि मेरी पहली फिल्म है और मैं एक लेजेंड की बात करने वाला हूँ, पर गब्बर सिंह जैसा कैरेक्टर आज तक किसी ने लिखा नहीं. तो अगर वो करने का मौका मिल जाए ना, या मोगैम्बो, these are the full on, I feel genuinely well fleshed out, well written. Of course उनका परफॉर्मेंस का टोन डिफरेंट था, but yeah, this अगर ऐसा कुछ करने का मौका मिल गया ना, life would, I mean, complete हो जाएगी.